here is how to compress files on Windows 11 without installing any additional software like WinRAR. So that being said, we have a pre-built-in software to do that, and first step what you have to do, you have to select the files which you want to archive. You can do that by dragging with your left click, or either if you hold Ctrl on your keyboard and click on the files which you want to archive. In this way you can select them. After you selected all the files which you want to archive, you have to right click on one of the files, and then you'll find here compress and zip. Alright, and now I just compress all these files into a zip folder with the pre-built-in software from Windows 11 without installing any additional software for that. So this is how to compress, how to zip files on Windows 11, and in just a second I will have my zip file. It's right here. Let's open it, and it opened up on my other monitor, and I have them right here. If you want to extract them, you just have to drag and drop all the files where you want to extract, or either if you right click on this zip file, you can select extract all, browse where you want them to be extracted, and after that you can press on extract. So that being said, I hope this tutorial helped you out, and thank you a lot for watching.